Hey, Padre. So it was 100% the switch. So this was pretty easy actually to take apart. Um, and this guy actually comes all the way apart. That's just snapped together. So you can get into those little metal contacts inside there. And they were pretty corroded. So I just scrubbed them off with some isopropyl alcohol and some Scotch-Brite. And now, if you'll look at the front of my garage, nothing but a thing. That was totally it. The little contacts inside this switch just were worn out. So that was it. And now I just have to put it back together and we're good. And it's just 2 screws. So thank you again for the help with that. That was the answer.